Hello, good morning, sir. This is my man. What can I do for you, sir? And this is a small content creator of Cebu, sir. Come have Cebu. What can I do for you, sir? Are you willing to make a prettier picture for your family with you? But you need to invest, sir, in small content money to my content to make you a prettier situation of your with your family, sir. Are you willing, sir, to invest money, small content for money, sir? Uh, I will teach you, sir, how to dogi. How to dogi. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will teach you how to dogi. Like that, sir. Like that. What, sir? This is not scam, sir. This is a content. This is a small content creator, sir, that willing to help you to make you a better life to your family, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello, sir. Hello. Smack that, I'm on the floor. Smack that, you knock to more. Smack that, whoa. Sir, smack that, smack that. Sir, hello. Are you there, sir? There. Nakita ko na mo sa camera, sir. What?